Well, hello everyone, and a huge welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Oliva. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is an adventure.
Oliva, I have a very serious life or death question for you.
Oh no, what is it?
What is the best smell in the entire world?
Fresh coffee? Flowers?
Good guesses. But I think it's the smell of food arriving at your table in a restaurant when you're super hungry.
Haha. You are 100% right. But to get that amazing smell, you need to know what to say to the waiter.
Exactly. So today, we're going to learn how to order food in English like a confident pro. No stress, just fun.
That's the goal. So if you're ready to become a restaurant superstar,
Then let's dive in. And if you love learning with us, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you never miss a lesson.
okay, step 1. You see a cool restaurant, you walk in. What now? Don't just stand there like a lost penguin.
Ha ha ha. Strikes a pose of a confused penguin. Like this?
Haha, exactly like that. Instead, find the host and use our first super phrase. Hi, could we get a table for 2, please?
Could we get? Is perfect. It's polite and natural. Change the number for your group. A table for 1 or a table for 4.
Let's see it in action. Adam, you be the host.
Good evening. Welcome to the Happy Noodle.
Hi, could we get a table for 2, please?
Sure thing. Follow me. And just like that, you're in. Easy. All right, you're at your table. Now you get the menu. It can look like a big, scary book of words.
Ha ha ha, don't worry. Let's break it down. First, the waiter will ask about drinks. They might say, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Here are 2 easy ways to answer. You can be simple or a little more specific. I'll just have a water, thanks. Could I get a lemonade, please?
Notice we use "I'll have" and "Could I get?" Both are great. Thanks makes it sound friendly.
Your turn, Oliva. What would you like?
I'll have an iced tea, please. Refreshing. Drinks are sorted. Now for the best part, the food. The waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
This is your time to shine. Here's a simple structure to sound like a pro. To start, I'll have the soup. And for my main course, I'll go with the steak.
"I'll have" is always safe. I'll go with is very cool and casual. Let's practice a full order. What can I get for you today?
Yes. To start, I'll have the salad. And for my main course, I'll go with the pizza.
Great choices.
See? You sound fantastic.
Okay, let's be real. Sometimes things don't go perfectly. The food is slow or they bring the wrong dish.
It happens. The key is to be calm and polite. First, how do we get the waiter's attention without yelling? Excuse me, when you have a second.
Perfect. Now, what if you got the wrong dish? Hi, I'm sorry, but I think I ordered the chicken, not the fish.
Starting with, "Hi, I'm sorry," is very polite. It shows you're not angry. Wave slightly. Excuse me, when you have a second.
Of course, what's up?
"Hi, I'm sorry, but I think I ordered the chicken, not the fish."
Oh, my mistake. I'll get that fixed for you right now. Problem solved and everyone is happy.
The food was incredible. But is there ever not room for dessert?
Never. The waiter might ask, "Saved any room for dessert?"
And you can say, "We'd love to see the dessert menu." But let's be honest, we already know we want it. We'd love to see the dessert menu. "I'll have the chocolate cake, please."
All finished. The final act, getting the bill. Could we get the bill, please?
Remember, in the US, people often say check. Both are correct. "Could we get" is your go-to phrase.
Wow, we learned a lot. Let's do a super speedy review. I'll say the situation, you think of the phrase.
Ready? G-O. "Could we get a table for 2, please?" "You want a drink?" "I'll have a lemonade, please." For my main, I'll go with the pasta. "There's a problem. Excuse me, I think I ordered the chicken." "You want the bill? Could we get the bill, please?"
You are now officially a restaurant expert.
See? With just a handful of phrases, you can handle a full restaurant visit smoothly. The trick is to practice them.
And we want to help you practice. Here is your challenge. In the comments, tell us your dream restaurant meal. What starter, main course, and dessert would you order?
For example, I would write, My dream meal is onion soup, a pepperoni pizza, and a giant ice cream sundae.
We'll be reading all your delicious answers. It's going to make us so hungry.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please help us out by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with a friend.
Your support means everything to us. Thanks for being awesome. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Goodbye.